Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best 4K laser TV in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these 4K laser TV, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. VAVA 4K OLED Laser TV. The VAVA Laser Projection TV gives the average person a slightly more affordable option when choosing a laser TV. The projection unit has an ultra-short throw distance of just 7.2 inches and can give you a screen size from 80 inches to a maximum of 150 inches. It's built around VAVA's patented ALP 3.0 laser technology for 4K UHD resolution for lifelike images and fuller color saturation. It also features a 3001 contrast ratio and HDR10 support for enhanced picture sharpness and plenty of details. The lamp bulb is rated for 25,000 hours of life, meaning you will spend less time replacing parts and more time enjoying shows and movies with family and friends. Like the Hisense 100L10E, the VAVA has an integrated 60-watt Harman Kardon soundbar with Dolby audio support for more immersive audio. The projector runs on the Android 7.1 operating system, allowing you to download your favorite streaming apps directly to the machine. Reasons to buy: long lamp life, integrated Harman Kardon soundbar, Android 7.1. Reasons to avoid: expensive, no voice controls, reports of bad lamps. Number 2. Hisense 100-inch Smart Laser TV. Laser TV are the next generation of home entertainment, and Hisense has taken the lead with their 100L10E model. While its price tag is out of reach for most people, the unit packs some serious tech. The TV is modeled after cinema projectors to give you a truly theatrical viewing experience in the comfort of your own home. The screen is built with ambient light rejection technology, so in any lighting, you get bright colors, deep blacks, and superior details. The screen comes in both 100 and 120-inch sizes, so you can build the ultimate home theater. The projection unit utilizes laser technology to produce stunning colors, contrast, and details at an ultra-short throw distance of just 8 inches. This means that you worry about people ruining the movie or watch party by walking in front of the projector. It features a built-in Harman Kardon audio system and includes a wireless subwoofer so you can get the best, most immersive listening experience. It also features smart functionality for downloading and browsing your favorite streaming apps and an Alexa-enabled remote for hands-free voice controls without the need for extra devices. Reasons to buy: Harman Kardon audio system, 8-throw distance, ALR screen. Reasons to avoid: opulently expensive, heavy, 42 pounds. Number 3. OPTOMOA CinemaX phone. Having hands-free voice controls is quickly becoming the standard for home entertainment, and the Optoma CinemaX phone Laser TV is one of the top choices for voice command integration. You can connect your compatible Amazon Echo or Google Assistant devices for hands-free browsing and settings navigation, as well as smoother integration of your new TV into your smart home network. This TV is a companion app for your smartphone or tablet that helps you quickly and easily set your screen size, corner alignment, and focus. You can adjust the screen size from a minimum of 85 inches to a maximum of 120 inches. It also has a super short throw distance of just 15 inches, so you never have to worry about anyone or anything blocking the projector and ruining movie night. The projection unit features an integrated NuForce soundbar with 2 speakers and 2 subwoofers for an enhanced listening experience. The lamp gives you up to 3,000 lumens of brightness and is rated for 30,000 hours of life. Reasons to buy: integrated soundbar, long lamp life, auto correction, alignment app. Reasons to avoid: only 2 HDMI ports, heavy, 24 pounds. Number 4. LG HUID5LA Cinebeam. For great 4K UHD resolution and a laser TV, check out the LG HUID5LA Cinebeam. This model brings all the best LG has to offer from their UHD TV with HDR10 support and a 2:1 contrast ratio, guaranteeing a great picture. The lamp provides up to 2,700 lumens of brightness and is rated for up to 20,000 hours of use. It also uses both red and blue lasers for a wider color gamma to deliver more lifelike images. The TV is LG Thinq AI built-in, giving you smart functionality as well as voice commands with Google Assistant built into the remote. You can connect your iOS or Android devices to stream music, movies, pictures, and more directly from your smartphone or tablet with Miracast connectivity. The TV also supports Bluetooth-enabled soundbars and speakers to help you set up the perfect home theater. With an ultra-short throw distance of just 2.2 inches, you can get up to a 40-inch screen. At a 7.2-inch throw distance, you can max out your viewable screen size at a whopping 120 inches. The modern, minimalist design of the projector unit ensures that it will blend in with almost any decor. Reasons to buy: Google Assistant built-in, ultra-short throw distance, modern minimalist design. Reasons to avoid: heavy, 26.9 pounds. 12-point adjustment may be trickier with larger size screens. Number 5. Epson LS100 Home Cinema. If you're looking for a laser TV that will be at home in both personal and professional spaces, check out the Epson LS100 Home Cinema. This laser TV features a full 1080p HD resolution with a 2.5 million 1 contrast ratio to give you crystal clear picture, the deepest blacks possible, and tons of color for lifelike images. The lamp provides up to 4,000 lumens, meaning you can give video presentations at the office or watch your favorite shows and movies at home in all but the brightest of lighting environments. With a super short throw distance of just 4 inches, you can get a screen size of up to 80 inches. At a 15-inch throw distance, you'll get a screen size up to 120 inches. This makes it a great choice for watching the big game or the latest blockbuster movies. With 3 HDMI ports, 3 USB inputs, a VGA input, and composite video, connecting all your media devices, soundbars, and speakers, and game consoles is fast and hassle-free. The TV unit features an instant on/off, so you don't have to sit around waiting for the lamp to warm up before enjoying movie night with family and friends. Reasons to buy: plenty of inputs, short throw distance, instant on/off. Reasons to avoid: no smart functionality, bulky,